What's good, y'all? Okay, I've learned that a lot of people don't know that you can get free graphics in Premiere Pro. So I'm gonna show you how. Let's get right into it. Now, you need to find your graphic templates. If you don't know where that's at, just go in the top right corner and don't worry about this exclamation. That's just because my system is full right now and I need to declutter. But at the top, go over here to workspaces, click it, and you can just go down to essentials, click that, and then you should get something that looks just like this. And then in the tabs, just find graphic templates, click on it. And right now you're seeing all the templates that I currently have, but to get to the free, because that's what you're here for. So right next to my templates, you're gonna click Adobe Stock. And I know what you're thinking.
Okay, you gotta pay for that.
But listen, I said free. So we're getting to the free. Select free. It's gonna load all of your templates that you can use and download and all that stuff. Now, if you don't know how to download, all you have to do is hover over the one that you want, go down to the cloud with the arrow, hit download. Well, tap it, it's license and download, but whatever. Just tap the cloud with the arrow. It's gonna start installing. Sometimes it takes a minute, but for the most part, it should be pretty quick. Now, to get to the graphic, just go back to my templates and it should be at the top. Now, all you have to do is drag and drop on your project and there you go. Just got you some free graphics. All right, y'all, hope it helps. I'm out.